Need to identify Telegram users who were recently active? Telegram last seen in 3 days helps detect Telegram accounts with recent activity within the last 3 days, allowing businesses to focus on reachable users and improve outreach efficiency. Visit NumberCheck.ai and explore the available account checking products. Click Get Started to create an account or sign in to the platform. Before using the service, make sure your account has sufficient credits available. If additional credits are required, please refer to the top-up tutorial. Return to the product list. Under the messaging category, locate Telegram last seen in 3 days and click Buy Now. Select the target country or region that matches your phone number list. Upload a TXT or CSV file containing phone numbers. 1 phone number per line is recommended. Click Start Detection to begin checking Telegram last seen activity within the last 3 days. After processing is completed, review the checking results on the Results page. The results include Telegram accounts detected with last seen activity within the last 3 days. Click Download to save the complete results file. The exported file contains Telegram accounts identified with recent last seen activity within the last 3 days. The results can be used for audience targeting, customer acquisition, lead qualification, and Telegram outreach preparation. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more NumberCheck tutorials and account checking guides. Visit NumberCheck.ai to start checking Telegram last seen activity today.